Well, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a tour of our Sea Ray 390 motor yacht, and we're coming to you from a very windy day on southern Georgian Bay at the end of May. We have been in the water now for just a little over 2 weeks, and I don't think we've had a calm day since we got here, but that's okay because we've had lots of projects to do, and today I'm going to try and give you a tour of our Sea Ray. So let's get started. But the main part of this tour is going to be inside, so we're going to head up into the boat. So a bit of context as to how we ended up with this boat. I did allude to that kind of briefly in my buying the boat video. Link in the description below if you're interested. There's a bit of history behind this boat. So when we sold our Sundancer, our 370 Sundancer, we were kind of wandering around the marina where we are at that point in time, and there was one of these 390 motor yachts at the marina, and we were kind of snooping around looking in because we didn't think anybody was on it. Anyway, the lady that owned the boat was on the boat, and she came out and invited us on for a tour. And it really kind of resonated with us. It was a good fit for us. We liked a lot of the things about the layout. We especially liked that it was a hardtop. We really, on our next boat, we're looking for more hardtop or a full hardtop. So this boat was only manufactured for 2 years, 2003 to 2005. Then they changed the name to a Motor Yacht 40 or a 40 Motor Yacht, and that was only in production for 2 years as well. So there was not a lot of them around. So that's kind of the history of how we got interested in this boat. Shortly after we started looking for the boat, well, lo and behold, one of these came on the market, and we took a tour of it and we decided to go after it. So that's how we sort of ended up here. Okay, so now that little bit of history is out of the way, let's get on with the tour. So this is the cockpit area. We have a big bench seat across the back. The previous owner to this boat built that table you see there, which actually is nice because it gives us a decent sized dining area when we need it. One thing that is a little bit lacking in this boat is the presence of a dinette down in the cabin, or a decent shaped dinette up here in the cockpit. So that was a good addition that he made. He also replaced all of this isinglass all the way around there. And it's in good shape, it's a good quality, it's nice and thick. So that was a nice bonus to get from him. This is the helm station. I'm probably going to do a separate video on all the technical parts of this boat. That will include the engine room. This boat also has a pretty sophisticated solar power system that I'll go into in detail in another video. It also comes with a Starlink dish up on the top of the hardtop, and that is a nice feature if it's already there to get. Okay, moving down into the cabin. 4 big steps down. So this is the salon area. So we have one big long couch on that side and one long couch on this side. And we have a nice little table in the middle. We actually eat at this table because you can raise it up and down, and it comes with 2 little stools there. We have of course, the TV back there. This big couch actually slides out all the way and turns into a large berth with some filler cushions. Okay, so down to the galley. Nice sized galley, lots of countertop on it. We have a 2-burner stove underneath here, and it also comes with this convection microwave oven. This is actually a nice oven. We cook a lot in this thing and use it as an oven. It's really works well. The previous owners didn't seem to use it that much, but we're certainly using it. Shortly after we took delivery of the boat, we replaced both fridges, this fridge and the one up in the cockpit. The fridges that were here when we bought the boat were the originals. They were old, they were noisy, they were all frosty. So we just decided within a couple of weeks of owning the boat that we were just going to bite the bullet and get it done. On the port side of the galley, there's a doorway, and that takes you into a head with a shower. And this serves as the day head, and it's a good size. Just forward of the galley, there is the forward stateroom. So there is 2 berths in this stateroom, one on the starboard side and a smaller one on the port side. If you want, you can slide this berth out, and I'll just show you how far you can get it out. So that rail, that bed will come all the way out on that rail, and it turns it into, I would say, bigger than a double bed once it's slid out, and there's some filler cushions that go along the back there. We've sort of settled on this configuration, and we've also had 2 people sleeping up here. Some friends of ours came and stayed over for a couple of days, and they seem to be quite comfortable up here. So that is the forward cabin, and it has access to the day head, so it acts like kind of like an ensuite. Okay, we're going to head back to the aft cabin now. Back through the salon. This is the doorway into the aft cabin. The door for the aft cabin also covers up the electrical panel, AC on top, DC on the bottom. This boat has a 50 amp shore power system, but I will go into that in another video. Okay, down into the aft cabin. So we have a queen size berth, little escape hatch back there. And this boat does not have a self-contained head in there. It is split up into 3 areas. So you have a shower, a sink, and a head. Sorry, Paul. At least it doesn't have diesels. So this side is the shower. Good size shower. I can fit in there no problem. I'm 6'3", and on this side we have the head. Vanity here, everything you need. So that's the Sea Ray 390 motor yacht that we purchased. We're obviously very happy with it. It's been working out well. We've been getting lots of projects done here in the spring of 2026 to get it ready for going out. I am going to probably do a couple more videos about the boat itself. As I mentioned, I'm going to do a kind of a technical review where I'll go down to the engine room and show you all what's down there and go over all the stuff with the Helm, and I'll also do a tour of the inverter charger solar system that's on this boat. That was kind of a feature that really captured me when I was touring the boat. So that's it for the video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.